Hey, hi guys. This is Akin from Rexy. Today I'm going to be doing a review on CreateStudio video animation software. As a user, this review is going to be based on all the experience I've had using CreateStudio. Apart from the fact that CreateStudio is a video animation software, it has a lot of video editing capabilities. As you can see from the inside, because I am right inside CreateStudio, you can see the canvas, then the timeline. The user interface is very flexible. You can adjust the canvas, adjust it with respect to the timeline. Inside CreateStudio, you can create any type of video resolutions, HD resolutions. You can create square videos, which you can use to create Facebook and Instagram videos. At the same time, you can also create Instagram story inside CreateStudio. Apart from that, you can create your own background, any type of color background, and also you have the opportunity of importing any type of media into CreateStudio for your background or for your assets. So you can import GIFs, images, videos, all manner of video assets. Also, CreateStudio comes with an inbuilt text-to-speech engine where you have access to tons of languages. And also variety of voices. Also, you can change the speed of your voiceover. You can change the pitch. Another very important feature is the ability to add pause into your text to speech. In addition to the ability to add pause, you can also determine the length in seconds. CreateStudio also comes with an inbuilt media library where you have access to tons of assets, graphics, video, premium stock videos of high quality and of different types. As you can see, you can import these videos, these assets, these graphics into your videos. Business graphics and images, quality that you can use to create a business video. Apart from images, you also have video stock free that you can make use of in your video, also in all manner of types. As you can see, these are all videos that you can import into your video. Business videos you can use to create business related videos. For example, this is one of the videos. Look at the quality. To work on your video in CreateStudio, all you need to do is to drag your asset into the canvas. And also you have a lot of features, like you can change the opacity of your images or videos. All manner of features that will help you to create a professional video. 3D perspective. You can increase and decrease the volume of your audio, etc. There are also advanced settings where you can add shadows, rotate your videos, remove colors. In CreateStudio, you have the ability to remove background colors like green screen videos. You can remove any color background using CreateStudio. Also, you have glitch effect, which you can add to your video. Apart from that, you have brightness and contrast. You also have filters. You can add filters to your images or videos. For example, this is a grayscale filter where you can turn your colored videos to black and white, and other type of filters. Okay, now let me take you to the studio of CreateStudio. Inside the studio, you have all your assets, both in 2D and 3D, that you can import into your project to create the best professional and high quality video for any purpose. As a user, I bought the front end standard license of CreateStudio, and I'm going to be showing you everything you have access to as a front end standard license holder of CreateStudio. Yeah, inside the studio you have this scene, you have characters, you have transitions, you have icons, 2D and 3Ds, you have 3D and 2D backgrounds, you have typography, you have social elements, you have devices, you have emojis, 2D and 3D, you have shapes, you have video effects, all done for you, templates that you can quickly make use of inside the CreateStudio. So for example, let me show you the scene. So look at this. These are all scene templates that you can make use of inside CreateStudio software. As you can see, even as a front-end standard license holder, I have access to all these tons of templates, high quality templates that I can make use of in my videos. The blue download button shows you everything that you have access to. So if you see blue button, it shows that you can have access to it. So as a front end standard license holder, I have access to all these same templates, almost 50 of them, or even if not more than that. And also there is something very special about CreateStudio. Even though CreateStudio is a desktop software, all these assets are cloud based, so they will not have effect on the speed of your system. So all you need to do is you can preview it. If it's something you would like to use, you can just click to download the asset. So without wasting much time, let's go to other aspects of the studio. Let's look at the characters. Inside the CreateStudio, you have both 2D and 3D characters. So let me show you the 3D characters. These are 2D characters. Tons of characters. Tons of 3D inside the CreateStudio. As a front-end standard license holder, I have free access to 8 solid 3D characters. As you can see the blue button. So any other assets that you see green button, you can only have access to them either by upgrading to all access, or you can also purchase each asset separately without upgrading, which means that if need arises, you can pay for only what you need at a time when it is needed. So look, as a front end license holder, these are the 3D characters I have access to. Also, because of time, let's go to others. Let's look at the 2D characters. Also, there are tons of 2D characters you can make use of. Look at tons of 2D animations. Also, if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 37 2D characters is available to use for me as a front end standard license holder. And the good things about CreateStudio is that frequently they add more and more to what you can access as a front end license holder. So apart from the 8 3D characters, I also have access to 37 characters. As you can see, the blue button indicates the character you have access to, while the green button indicates the character meant for either all access, or you can purchase each through the CreateStudio store that I will show you later in this video. There are other tons of characters for access pass. So apart from characters, you have transitions in and out, and then under this in there are other transition under it. Apart from in transition, you have in and out transitions that you have access to as a front end standard license holder. You also have transition effects. Look at this. As a front end holder, these are transitional effects that you can make use of in your video inside CreateStudio. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 32 transition effects, video effects that you can make use of. So let's go to other. This is icons. You have 2D, 3D icons that you can make use of. Tons of them, even as a front-end license holder inside CreateStudio. The same with 2D icons, tons of them that you can make use of as a front-end license holder. Apart from icons, because of time, you have devices, you have emojis, tons of them that you can make use of in your video, almost hundreds of them. Also shapes, you have access to different kind of shapes, color shapes that you can make use of. Apart from transitional effects, you also have standalone video effects that you can use in your videos inside CreateStudio. Electric effect that you can make use of, tons of them, even as a front end user inside CreateStudio. Still under video effects, you have energy effects, tons of them. You have line elements, tons of them. You have liquid effects, tons of them. You have motion shapes effect. You have smoke effect that you have access to even as a front end holder. You have fire effects, that you can use in your video even as a front end standard license holder of CreateStudio. All manner of fire effects. Also, yeah, I think let's move on. Yeah, so apart from all these assets We also have typography, template that you can make use of, lower thoughts, pop-ups, simple kinetic typography, tons of hand animations that you can make use of inside CreateStudio, even as the front end standard license holder. In addition to the studio assets, you also have access to tons of shapes in SVG inside CreateStudio, free of charge. Tons of SVG icons, elements that you can import and animate inside CreateStudio. In addition to all these shapes, you also have access to an additional library of graphics that you can import and make use of inside your project inside CreateStudio. This includes devices that you can use of inside CreateStudio. You can make use of inside CreateStudio. Apart from devices, you have another set of icons, colored, tons of them that you can make use of in CreateStudio. Like I told you, I have just the front end standard license, and I have access to all this. As a matter of fact, in CreateStudio, you don't need an upgrade to enjoy and create the best of videos for your business or for your clients. Under the icon, you see have the flat style icon, tons of them inside CreateStudio. Apart from that, you also have access to monochrome icons. Apart from icons, you also have illustrations, both shapes, characters, tons of them inside CreateStudio that you can make use of in your video project. Apart from the characters, you have line characters also, tons of them that you can make use of inside CreateStudio. Also, you have sublime assets, tons of them that you can make use of inside CreateStudio, tons of them. Apart from illustration, you have an isometric builder that you can use to build a full-fledged isometric video inside CreateStudio. You have tons of isometric assets that you can use to build an isometric video, complete isometric video. Look at every asset you need to create an isometric video is provided free of charge inside CreateStudio. Apart from the isometric objects, you have 3D realistic objects that you can make use of inside CreateStudio. A lot of them that you can make use of inside CreateStudio. Also, you also have scene objects, tons of them Also, you have another library of SVG that you can import and animate inside CreateStudio. Okay, let's quickly look at the text animation aspect. Inside CreateStudio, you can add and animate any text. You can change the fonts. You can change the font size, the space, the color, opacity. All manner of things can be done inside CreateStudio. Yes, also you can do right to left animation. So for example, if you want to write in Arabic, it is possible inside CreateStudio. Apart from that, you can animate any text using the preset animation provided inside CreateStudio. Tons of them, in and out animations. Slide animations, tons of them. Zoom animations, tons of them. Fade in and fade out, rotation, 3D animations. You can rotate text or anything that you place, whether video or graphics or images that you place inside. All manner of preset animation done for you, in and out. You can also do color rotation for any asset that you place inside the canvas in CreateStudio. Yeah. Apart from the preset animations, you can also do your own custom animations inside CreateStudio. All manner of animation. You can animate the position, the opacity, the scale, rotation, skew, color, border, all custom made. You can animate entire text, bulk of text. Also, you can also animate word by word. Apart from animating the word in your text, you can also animate by letter. So which means that in CreateStudio you can animate by text. For example, a sentence, you can also animate a sentence by word, and also animate a word or a sentence by letters. Apart from that, you also have text. You can also add text effects to your texts. You can do number counter inside CreateStudio. You can do number counter inside CreateStudio. You can do typewriter effect inside CreateStudio. You can do text animation in CreateStudio. You have natural hand. You have all manner of hands. You have cartoon hand, and also do glass do video inside CreateStudio. All manner of type of hand for do videos. Apart from the text animations and effects, there are other features and functions provided and available inside CreateStudio. Another very important aspect of CreateStudio that I need to quickly talk about is the CreateStudio marketplace. Inside the CreateStudio marketplace, thousands of templates are provided to be used inside CreateStudio. Character-based templates, tons of templates that you can make use of inside CreateStudio. Also, Instagram and Facebook video templates that you can make use of inside CreateStudio. Tons of promotional videos, story video templates, vertical videos that you can make use of, logo intro, YouTube, local business videos, Facebook cover. And the good news is, inside the CreateStudio marketplace, there is provision for free video assets. At least for now, there is about 50 free, fully done for you video assets you can make use of, even as a front-end standard license holder of CreateStudio. For example, this is a free video asset that you can make use of even as a front-end user of CreateStudio. Also, this is another free video, another free video templates. These are another 2 free video templates. These are another 2 free video templates. These are another 2 free video templates. This is another free one. About 50 free video fully done for you templates that you can access even as a front-end standard license holder of CreateStudio. Apart from the free video templates and assets, you also have the opportunity to get additional videos. That is if the needs arise, to either upgrade to all access pass, which give you total access to every asset, template, and everything that CreateStudio has to offer, or You can also have access to everything CreateStudio has to offer without upgrading by just buying as occasion serves you. You can buy single video assets or templates by buying credit and purchasing it for your use. So this option gives you an opportunity to get additional video assets and templates without upgrading. So there is no point wasting your money on things you don't need. So this opportunity gives you a chance to only buy and invest in assets that you need when it is required. Let me quickly show you how to customize video template inside CreateStudio. Template. All I need to do is click use. As you can see, the video has been imported into the canvas inside CreateStudio. You can customize every aspect of these video assets, from character to 3D background, the text animations. Everything can be dragged, can be dropped. Position of the scene can be changed from one place to the other. Let me quickly look at the character animations. This is the character. Tom, this is the character. So let's look at it. So look at it. In this video, these are the actions that the character is performing. You can change all these actions. For example, if you watch the video, you can say waving, then followed by typing. For example, let me change one of the actions. For example, this is typing. Okay, let's say this is waving. I can change this character by just going to add action. It was initially, okay, let's change it to happy. And now cow. And then you can also add outro action. But let's say thinking. So you can change the actions as occasion serves you. So all manner of actions are here, and for every character there are customized actions that can be carried out. So for this character, these are the actions that the character can carry out. So the actions varies from character to characters. So you have the opportunity to choose character based on what you want to achieve with your video. Of course, you can add motion presets. You can also add custom animations. So there is no limit to what you can achieve with CreateStudio. For more details about the animations of characters and objects in CreateStudio, please check my post review, a detailed post review that I made for CreateStudio. The link is below this video. Yeah, do CreateStudio provide bonuses? Yes, there are bonuses that you will be given access to if you get access to CreateStudio today. Yeah, the first bonus is Climb Booster Explainer video. Then the second one is green screen kits that you can make use of inside CreateStudio to create professional video. Client questionnaire, if you are into video marketing, you can make use of this for your clients. But apart from the general bonuses provided by CreateStudio, I have also put together a special bonus that you can get access to if you buy CreateStudio through my link below this video. So the special bonus is called Videract. Videract is a premium cloud-based interactive video creation software that allows you to add interactive, clickable, engagement and conversion elements to your videos. Engagement elements like file download, quizzes, polls, social share, Google Map videos. Also conversion elements like call to action buttons, opt-in form, etc. So if you purchase CreateStudio through my link below, you will get free access to this premium software. Thank you.